Howdy, y'all. I'm Emoster, and I am gonna show you what I've gotten with my game so far. It's the end of another long day. Standing in by the front door, you can start to feel the effects of having low thirium. And I accidentally hit the window. What should I check first? Is what it's supposed to say down here, but the dialog box runs away. You can see Sumo taking a nice nap. And if you look even closer, you can see, wow, I'm so good at drawing dogs. And then it's supposed to say like the second time you enter the menu, uh what should I check out next? And then this line, but I need to work on screens, which is over here. But at least the screens from the tutorials over here that I'm gonna copy, but I'm I'm not there yet. I haven't fleshed out this. But basically it's Hank, Connor, and 60 playing a card game. And then the kitchen is where the game progresses. You see the fridge. There's a lot left to learn. There really is, bestie. Thanks for playing. Thanks for watching, in y'all's case. And that's it.